So I did re-enter this trade after it took me out right here. So now I have scaled out. I had 5 contracts on. I scaled out just now. I scaled out 2. Right here where this arrow is, and we're gonna keep letting it rock. I got it at break even now, so we'll see what happens. I like to see it take out this low right here, but a 1 to 2 would be right here. If we get to a 1 to 2, I'll take off another 1 maybe and let 2 ride, because I'm already risk free at this point. So what I would want to do is I would limit buy right here, so it can do it naturally and already got a stop loss. So essentially, you could just, if you had to do something, you could walk away. It's good to have these orders already placed for you, because if you're not mentally like strong in the game yet of trading, staring at the charts could really make you make some crazy decisions. And the less decisions we have to make, the better. So that's why it's better to just follow your plan and stick to it as best as you can. Try to keep your emotions out of it. Not saying that you are not supposed to have emotions, but you need to be aware of the emotions that you have and knowing when not to trade, when to sit on your hands, and what to do when certain emotions arise. That's why journaling is so very important. You don't need to have pen and paper journal per se, but make sure you at least screenshot your trades or write them down if you want.
Order filled.
So there we go. We got that scale out. We took one off, still at break even, and we'll let the last 2 ride. Here, let me move these executions so we can so y'all can see the price more clearly. There we go. So we already hit our 1 to 2, y'all. Do I see any gaps that could potentially get filled? I do right here. Hold on for a second. I'll move this down a little bit. Market buy.
Order filled.
Oops, did not mean to do that, but that's okay. Yeah, I did actually. My bad. Yeah, so now I got 1 contract left on, and then we'll just let that ride, y'all. The execution on this trade was flawless. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. That's where we at right now. The 1 to 3 would be right about here. And we hit our 1 to 3. I'm gonna just scale like per candle. See if we can get on the floor. Once this candle closes, you can't be greedy. Once this candle closes, I'll put this right above this candle, and I know that we got
Order
gaps
filled.
to fill. So that was like literally the execution on this trade was fantastic. So there we have it, and I'll put the executions back on so you guys can like see exactly what happened there. So yeah, I got stopped out over here. Then I went back in with 5, 4, 1, 2. One 3.5. That's pretty good. So yeah, that was a trade. Just to go back over it, we got a sweep, displacement, market structure shift, fair value gap entry. Simple as that. And we let it ride. We let it rock. So price, I think, still has room to the downside, but we're gonna call it a day for today. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Even if you're not new to the channel and you've seen my content, subscribe, like, comment. It's free, y'all. You got any ideas you guys want to see on content, let me know. Peace.